Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And as you can see, today our topic is difference between red and blue team. So here are our contents. Like in this video, we are going to discuss about what is a red team, how does a red team work, red team tools, what is blue team, how does a blue team work, and the last one is blue team tools. So here I put it one intro here. In this video, we are going to discuss about red team versus blue team. And let me introduce myself. My name is Sohit Kumar Mato, and currently I am pursuing my BTech from Presidency University, Bangalore. And along with this, I am working with Virtually Testing Foundation as a cybersecurity engineer intern. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So, what is a red team? A red team consists of offensive security professionals. Basically, you can say these are penetration testers, and red team often consists of independent ethical hackers who evaluate system security in an objective manner. And they utilize all the available techniques to find weaknesses in people, processes, and technology to gain unauthorized access to assets. So basically, in a red team, they are going to find vulnerabilities on blue team mechanisms, whatever they use to defend their companies or organization. So the role of red team is to find vulnerabilities on those mechanisms. Uh, our next topic is how does a red team work? Basically, a red team spend more time planning an attack than they do performing attack. In fact, red teams deploy a number of methods to gain access to a network. They utilize all the available techniques to find weaknesses in people, processes, and technology to gain unauthorized access to assets. So, point number one is uncovering operating system in use, like a Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. And the second one is identifying the make and model of networking equipment such as servers, firewalls, switches, routers, computers, etc. And the fourth one is learning what ports are open or closed on a firewall to allow block specific traffic. So we can perform this by using nmap or rust scan. These things, these are the tools to use to find what ports are opened or closed, and this thing. And the last one is create a map of the network to determine what hosts are running what services along with this, where traffic is being sent. So here we are analyzing our traffic, like what data are going out and which data are coming inside our network, this thing. So here are the some rules which are used by red team. The first one is the social engineering toolkit, which is the most popular tool, which is also called as SET toolkit. The second one is Metasploit, and the third one is Nmap. The fourth one is OSINT framework, and the fifth one is Mimicards, which is used for privilege escalations, and the last one is Empire Project. So now let's move to Blue Team. What is Blue Team? A blue team consists of defensive security professionals who have an inside out view of the organization. So, as I said before, blue team is basically as a defensive nature. Basically, they are uh, stopping red team to attack into their systems. Uh, Their task is to protect the organization's critical assets against any kind of threat. So, as I told you, like to protect the organization, they use so many methodologies and mechanisms to uh, ca- to do and keep the data secure. So, how does a blue team work? performing DNS audits, which is a domain name server to prevent phishing attacks, conducting digital footprint analysis to track users' activity and identify any known signatures that might indicate a breach of security. Uh, Ensuring firewall access controls are properly configured and that antivirus software are kept up to date. So here in this, we again and again we need to check the firewall is configured properly or not, and the antivirus softwares are up to date or not. If not, then we should update our softwares and configure our firewall as well. And the last one is analyzing logs and memory to pick up unusual activity on the system and identify and pinpoint an attack. So we have to keep tracking our logs, and whenever we will see any uh, unusual log, then we need to take action on that log, like maybe someone is trying to attack into our system or network, this thing. Now let's move on to the next topic, which is, so here are some tools which are used by Blue Team. And the first one is honeypots. The second one is log management and analysis, and the third one is security information and event management, which is called SIEM. And the fourth one is network security monitoring. Here we are monitoring our logs and these things. And the last one is threat detection. So these are the all about red team and blue team. So guys, if you are having any confusion, you can comment below. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you are like this video, then please hit the like button. Thank you. See you soon.